The sooner you confess, the sooner your pain will stop.
Seriously, like, you're actually going to be shocked at this. I couldn't believe it myself when I found out. I was like, Jesus Christ, like, honestly, like, things like this don't happen. And like, it was just unbelievable. Like, I couldn't believe it when I seen it. I'm like, what the hell? Like, guys, seriously, wait till you hear this.
He has not confessed. He has made no statement.
Like, kind of a bit of a serious bit of news, but Matt Hancock's joined the jungle. I'm a celebrity. Get me out of here.
Do something. I wish I had more hands so I could give those 4 thumbs down.